Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be unboxing another amazing product, and this time we have the Saramonic 4-in-1 wireless microphone system, and this is something very good to talk about. We will be using this for a while now. Thanks to the team at Saramonic for sending us this in addition to our collection as well. So let's unbox this and see what do we have inside the box. Alright, so first of all, the model of this one is the Blink500B2 Plus. That's what they call it. Okay, first thing first, we have this and two boxes inside. So out of the box, first of all, we have this casing, which is the main thing. Everything goes inside. Then after that, in the other box, I think we have all the pouches and all that stuff as well. Wow. Oh, this is a nice bag. What we have inside, we have the cables. So these two cables, actually three cables comes with it, and we have two of the windshields as well at the same time for the whole set. Then we have the of course quality certificate. We have the warranty for your product and all that. You can have that, and then of course the quick start guide comes with it. So let's put all other things aside and let's talk about the first of all the build quality. It's a very nice looking box. On the other hand side, when you open it, that's where all the magic happens. All right, so what we have, we have one of the receiver. Wow, it's good, and it's very lightweight, very good. And then we have two of the microphones, which will be we will be recording everything. For this one also is very light as well. They have a magnetic thing as well at the back, so you can actually put it inside your shirt and then you can like that. Oh, it's very strong at the same time, or you want to hook it just like this, you can do that as well. Of course, we have these connectors which connects to your devices. For your phone, this is the Type-C and this is the lightning cable. So if you want to plug this to your iPhone, you can use this, or if you want to connect to the latest iPhones or any other Android devices which have Type-C, you can use this, or Google Pixel and all that. Meaning to say, it's not just for your cameras, but all your handheld devices also you guys can utilize this whole set. And then on the top, when you put everything back, actually this is the what you call a charging station. So everything stays inside very nicely, very compact, and you charge based on that. Oh, you see, I put this aside, I can already see the lights already here. These indicators shows the battery life of your whole set as well. My experience with all these kind of sets all in one is so good now, because it's really helpful when we go for the outdoor shoots and we don't have to worry about charging everything separately, which we used to do. But now with these devices, it's so helpful, and you don't lose anything. That's the best thing. And you can just use your power banks also to charge these devices, so which is very handy. So let's talk about all these crazy and amazing features of this device, and then we will also be doing a test on this, and you guys can see how this works as well. The Blink500B2 Plus have two transmitters with one receiver, meaning you can use one set to prepare audio for two people. The transmitter have built-in omnidirectional mics, two-stage active noise cancelling, remote gain control, mute, and furry windshields for high wind protection. These mics have 24-bit by 48 kHz resolution, a sound pressure level of 120 dB, and sensitivity of 40 ± 2 dB. The operating range of these transmitters can go up to 150 meters without obstacles. Its compact 2-channel receiver mounts to your camera, shoe, or directly to your device's USB-C or Lightning port, and feature a 3.5 mm headphone out, mono, stereo, or safety output modes, 75 by 150 Hz low-cut filter, and mobile device speaker monitoring. The B2 Plus features a 3.5 mm line output with both 3.5 mm TRS and TRRS output cables, allowing you to record to cameras, mixers, recorders, and more. Attach either the USB-C or Lightning adapters for a digital connection to iPhones or Android devices. It also features an incredible battery runtime with up to 20 hours transmitters and 16 hours for the receivers, giving users the ability to shoot for an entire day on one charge. It also includes a charging case that provides another additional 1.6 times full system charges anywhere. That gives you up to an incredible 41.6 hours of filming on a full charge on both system and the case. Taking the system out of the charging case turns them on and returning them to the case turns them off automatically. The transmitters and receivers can be powered while in use or charged outside of the case using a power supply for even more powering options. As I mentioned earlier in my features talk, that it's automatically turned off and on. So for example, if you open this box and you take it out, it should automatically turn on the device. You can see that. Look at that. And then if I take out the microphones also, so it will automatically light up and it will be connected to the receiver itself. Alright, so you see it was working, and then if I take out the other one, it should work automatically and connect it itself as well. So this is a very good feature. These small details do matter because, for example, if you're going for a shoot, you take it out, you forgot to turn it on, and you know what I mean. And then after that, I will put this aside for a while, and then I'll bring my camera in. I can just slide this into my camera. I will add the cable inside to connect to my camera, and this cable goes on this side, which is the left side, which is the out, and we'll press here, and then we will add into the mic side of our camera. And then if I turn on my camera, it should be connected. Alright, so if you guys can see, you notice that is already connected and it's showing me all the bars here as well and here as well. So if I bring very close to my mouth, you see how much is leading to the red side there, so it means it's working. So very nice. That is just plug and play. You just go ahead and connect to your cameras and you are ready to go. After this, of course, to prevent those wind sounds and other things, you can just attach this on the top just like that. There we go. So it's just attached like this, and there are a few ways of wearing it according to the website which I was checking also. So I mean, they provide options. You can just use this magnetic also, you put inside the shirt and it will just connect like this. So anywhere you can put it as well, which is very good if you don't want to really hook into your collar and all that for their shirt. And the other way is this, that you can actually put the microphone inside and then you can just hide it just like that. And then you can cover with your jacket or whatever you want to, but it works, it does the job, and it's very good and very handy and very good features. Then on the other hand side, of course, there's a clip. You can just add it here like that. And then on the other hand side about the buttons and all these things, this is where we have a noise cancellation button, and so this is where you can press this blue button and starts the noise cancellation. There are two modes of that also. On the receiver itself, you have a power button, you can turn on and off. You have the amp button, which is for the menu control, which I'll show you in a bit how that works. Then we have the headphone jack, and then is the out cable, which I used just now for the camera. At the bottom, this is the charging port also, and then we have this clip here. So this is the rubber casing at the back. So what this does is actually very cool thing. So do you remember I mentioned that they have this thing inside, this adapter? You take this out, you put this adapter, it says here this is how it goes in, just like that, and it's connected. All right, you take your phone and then you just plug into your phone, and now your phone has connection. All right, so if you notice now the recording is actually recording my voice. You don't need to install anything, you don't need to do anything, you can just plug and play, and then it will start work and start recording already. All right, so a little bit I want to talk about the menu. So for example, here we have power button and the menu button. When you press the menu button, you will be entered in the menu. This one actually have a speakers inside. You can actually hear from here as well, unless you want to use your headphones and all that, you can do that as well. Then in the menu you have speakers, you have output volume, you can adjust from here, you can have a noise reduction selected from here as well at the same time, and then you have the TX mute key also, you can use that as well, and you can also disable or enable the low cut. And after that you have the output mode, how you want it to be, the same thing which we have seen in the app also. You have a backlight, you can turn on and off. If you want to find it very distracting, you can change the language of it, and you can restore it fully to the default. And then you want to do the pairing also. If you want to manually pair, you can pair using this. Okay, so if you hold it, it will select the thing, enable, and the power button I will use to change the settings, so disable or enable. So this is how it works. Power button also use it for the back and forth going into the menu. So very simple, very straightforward, very amazing device at the same time. So let's go now to test this device and see how this sounds. Alright, so now whatever you're hearing is from this microphone. The reason I came here is to show you guys that if I walk back towards this side, you can hear. Even if I go further back here, now I believe it's quite far already, and you can hear the same audio. So that's the good part about it. Even there are so many distractions going on, like lights and all that, but still the audio remains the same. So this is how it works, and I think the quality is amazing for that purpose. So now the second part, if I press this blue button, which is the noise cancellation button, so let me press it. Okay, once, and I think it's activated. So now the sound you will hear even all the sounds around me also is very nicely done, and the noise cancellation works very perfectly. Even there is a lot of noise going on outside for the air cons and all that. I can hear it, but I don't know if you guys can hear it now or not. But this shows that how clear this works and how amazing this device is. Now we're going to test the second level of the noise reduction or noise cancellation. So our air con here is like blasting at the full speed, so it's quite noisy, and full fan. So now what we're going to do, we're going to turn it on for the second level and see how that sounds. So now it's on at this moment, and you can see the difference already, or you can hear the difference already in the voice, how much it works and how it's reduced all the sounds or noises and make my voice very clear at the same time. Alright guys, I hope I have covered all the amazing features of this amazing device. If you want to know more about it, I will be dropping the links in the description of this video, or you want to know anything about it, you can let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to assist you guys with all your inquiries. And if you guys have enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for all the upcoming videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.